Sorry, I'm going to do the same thing I did the first time. I'm going to try the Fast Dry monomer, and then I will try the Cotton Candy monomer, and then my Secret Nail Affair monomer, all with the same color. This one is Grand Champion White, and I believe this one is supposed to be a nude. So we're going to go ahead and try this one, because white can be kind of hard to work with sometimes. So I'm really trying to give these products the best, you know, best result, I guess you could say, or the best chance at a good result. So the name's not on it, but I will put it on the video. This video is going to be kind of long. I might have to break it up into several parts. God, these are so messy. Okay. And these containers get powder on the sides, and they're like really slippery. So there's the powder. So I had to speed up the video here, but first I try the Fast Dry, the Pink Magic Fast Dry monomer, and right away I noticed this powder worked a lot better than the first one. It still wasn't very easy to work with, and I had to keep my beads extremely wet, and I had to work really fast to get it to be able to work with it without it drying. But it was a lot better to work with than that first powder. That first powder was almost impossible to work with. So you just see me doing the application here. I did speed it up to, I think, times 2.5 or 3 to be able to fit it in the video. But it definitely was better than the first powder. So as you can see, the application with the Fast Dry was a lot better than the first time I tried it, but it still wasn't all that great, and like I said, I had to keep it really wet. It dried super fast, and it's really hard to work with for me anyway. Here I'm trying the Cotton Candy monomer. And again, I did it the same way I did the other powder. I wet my tip, and then I picked up my bead. And I noticed right away this one was a lot easier to work with, but again, I had to keep it very, very wet, or it would dry too fast. Like if I don't know if you can tell, but it started drying and I wasn't able to move it all the way down the tip. But I just kept going with it and kept trying. I tried really hard to be optimistic and really give these products a fair chance to like them. I really tried. Maybe they're just not for me. I don't know. If they work for you, that's awesome. For me, I had a really hard time working with them. But this one was a lot better than the first powder. This one's called Internal Beige. As you can tell, the application was a lot better on that one too. But look at this color difference. Isn't that crazy? It still changed the color of the powder, that first Fast Dry monomer. Here I am trying my Secret Nail Affair monomer. This is the monomer that I'm used to, and I prefer over any other monomer. So I wanted to try it again with the second powder. And again, it worked a lot better for me. I was able to work with it a lot easier. But still, even with this monomer that I'm used to using, I had to keep it very, very wet. I used a lot more monomer than I normally would. And I don't know, these powders were really, really hard for me to work with. I don't know if you saw it there was like something weird in it. But I really struggled using these powders, and I really tried, you guys. I really gave it my all trying to give these a good, you know, a good shot at working for me. But I did do a lot better with my monomer, my Secret Nail Affair monomer. I was able to apply it a lot better, as you can see. But look at this color difference coming up. It's insane to me how much it changed the color. I've never seen a monomer do that before. In my next video, I do the white color, and then in my last video, I'll give my final thoughts on everything. So thank you guys so much for watching. If you have any questions, let me know.